Hello and welcome to the Microsoft Excel 2010 Navigation and Cell Selection tutorial. This tutorial will teach you how to navigate through an Excel worksheet and how to properly insert columns, rows, and cells into a worksheet. Let's begin. To start Excel 2010, click on the Start button, click on All Programs, Microsoft Office, scroll down to Microsoft Excel 2010 to launch the application. Once you've opened up the application successfully, a spreadsheet worksheet will be displayed. A spreadsheet is a paper or an electronic document that is used to store and manipulate data. It consists of rows and columns that intersect like a grid to form cells where the data you entered is stored. Cells represent each box. Rows are placed horizontally, while columns are shown vertically. Inserting a cell into the worksheet is fast and easy. For example, if I enter data into the first cell, and I want to insert a second cell into the worksheet, I'd right-click on the letter, hit Insert. Notice how a second cell appears and the previous cell is shifted to the right. Now I can add contents to the new cell. The cell that is selected is called an active cell, and the reference of the active cell appears in the name box on the formula bar. By clicking on Data, notice that the contents of the active cell are displayed on the formula bar. An Excel worksheet can contain various types of data such as text, numbers, pictures, formulas, charts, or tables. You can insert or delete rows, columns, and cells from an Excel worksheet. Here is an example of an Excel worksheet with data. Notice, numbers, data, more numbers, time, weather, days of the week, more numbers, names, and more names. To change content in a cell, double-click on the cell you wish to select, make the necessary changes, then click Enter. It's that easy. Every Excel function has 3 levels of help, the easiest being the Excel Help button located at the top right of the topic. This includes a description of each function. For example, if you have a question about columns, rows, or cells, then click on the Help button. Or hit F1 on your keyboard. Then type your question into the search box. Then hit Enter on your keyboard or click the search box. Results will be shown below. To save and close an Excel worksheet, click on the File tab over the ribbon and scroll down to Save As. This allows you to save the changes made to a workbook with a new file name and the desired location. I'm going to save this spreadsheet as data, and I'm going to save it in the file entitled Schoolwork. Then I'll click on the Save button. Now it's officially saved. Now I can exit out of Microsoft Excel 2010 by clicking on the small X box in the top right corner.